This is a 3-pack of padded wireless bras I bought. So let me show you a closer look because they're amazing and so comfy. They all have this same gorgeous floral pattern, which is really pretty and different kind of material, but it doesn't show through on your clothes. So don't worry about anything like that. This is the inside, which is really interesting. There's no boning on it. And there are no wires, so it's almost more like a bralette, honestly. So comfortable, but supportive. I'm a 32C. I got the small and it's perfect. They come in different color options, but I got the white, cream, and black. I like that the straps are thin, but not like spaghetti strap, but also not like really matronly thick. And the cut is on the more modest side, but it's still gonna be good for like a V cut as long as it's not like a plunging neckline. The fabric is like 63% nylon, 36% spandex. And they do come with little extenders in case you need to make it wider, which is nice. So if like your cup is a small size, but your ribs are like a larger size, you might wanna get a smaller size and then use the extender, perhaps. And then of course the bra straps are adjustable here, and they also do remove down here so you can crisscross them if you need to. I love this set, really cute, comfortable. I love it, and I know you will too.